Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to send and receive money with Zelle. So it's both the same process. So if you wanna go through it, right there, you're gonna go to the main page and transfer and pay. You're gonna send and request money with Zelle. After you click on that, you're gonna choose either the send or request or split a bill or whatever. Just choose send money, let's say. You're gonna now add a recipient or choose one of them. So if you wanna add a recipient, let me add real quick. You're gonna scan a QR code, and yeah, it's really simple. So when you have added a recipient, click on it, and after that, you're gonna choose either email or phone number. How do you wanna contact them? So if you don't have none of them, you're gonna add a new email or phone. Just click on the phone you added and select the amount, let's say $50. After that, you're gonna select the account you wanna transfer from. So now you're gonna click review and send $50. Now you can just view details and stuff, save image. Yeah, that's brilliant nonsense. So yeah, that is it basically. It's both the same process for send and receive. So yeah, that is it.